You know, when I grew up, we had a dentist in our church, and he was actually really close friends with my father. And I was just that kid that always enjoyed going to the dentist. I've always been intrigued by it, and I think that even I, was always interested because I didn't really like my smile all that much growing up. Braces came off, and it changed my life. My confidence and everything just completely skyrocketed. And so I thought, okay, that makes sense as a job. I can actually do this for other people, and I can make a difference in their life like it did mine. Main Street's a lot like what I'm trying to do in dentistry. It's obviously got a lot of age to it. This building that we're in is from 1904, and dentistry is obviously an older profession. But like it, and like this street here, specifically in VA, it's kind of been revitalized. And I thought, what a great place for what I'm trying to do, and that's take an older profession and really try to upgrade the experience and really kind of revitalize what people are used to when it comes to dentistry. What we've done is we've looked at it from the patient's perspective. What do they not enjoy the most? And it's usually sight, sound, smells, the fear of pain, the lack of communication a lot of times. We understand that it requires a lot of people to feel vulnerable, and we'll never take that for granted. Our goal is to really respect your time, respect your wallet, and most of all, respect your health and your teeth, of course. And so I know that most people really want a conservative dentist, and preferably, I don't want to touch a tooth unless I have to. But we really focus on patient communication. We focus on the patient experience, and as you can see in our office, we designed it very differently. In every respect, we wanted patients to feel comfortable. We wanted to increase patient communication with technology so that we could show you, as a patient, what I see. Once we increase that patient communication, we know that patients are pretty smart. They can usually decide on their own what's best for themselves, and then I think we've done our job.
Our whole goal in this office is to help people to make them feel better about themselves. If they had anxiety, we would definitely put their anxiety at ease. We want them to love coming to see us. And just to see someone smile and be happy about their smile is a big deal to us.
It's unlike any dental experience I've ever had. As soon as you walk in the door, it's a warm atmosphere. You feel like you're walking into your dream home. They greet you with this huge smiles, and they're on your side. They want to help you figure it out and make sure you're comfortable. They help you come up with a strategy. You can tell they love what they do, and that just projects, and so it makes you feel comfortable. They're mindful of the environment. They're just very kind, happy, calm people.
We are in the forefront in terms of our technology, meaning we are one of the few offices that has a CBCT, or cone beam x-ray machine. And what that machine does is it allows us to take a 3D scan of any area of the mouth that we need to, which allows us to be, one, more safe, and two, more predictable in where we're going in our treatment outcomes. So we're diagnosing things that no one's had answers for before, that nothing else has been able to explain. We use digital impression machines, so we also scan teeth often for our crowns, and so we can digitally email an impression of your teeth over to a lab, and they can fabricate the crown. So it allows us to be more accurate, and we're getting better results as a result of taking it digitally.
I came to Dr. Smith with a problem that had been a long-term problem, been almost 3 years. We'd had a tooth that had almost 3 crowns on it. We were on our 4th. I really appreciate his confidence, and that's made me calm and feel like that I was at the right place, is his confidence in the fact that he could remedy my problem, and he did. What I love coming here is I feel like I'm in a spa. I love the fact that as far as technology goes on the x-ray side, we can zoom in very, very deep into my x-rays, and I know exactly what's going on around my teeth, in between my teeth, just to have that level of technology. And I feel like I'm really on cutting edge with knowing what my potential problems are, and explain to me what are some things that we can fix today. What I really enjoyed about coming here was the fact that I knew that Dr. Smith cared about my care, my long-term care, not just what needed to be fixed today. We're engaging in a relationship for long-term dental care. If you come here, you're going to feel the same way. You're going to feel someone who understands where you are, who has compassion on you, and will help you get to where you need to be.
It's my passion to have people understand the importance of clean teeth and oral health. Changing the experience is what it's all about. Having people not dread going to the dentist, having them not be scared of what they're about to experience. Dr. Smith is so personable when he talks to the patients. He makes them feel like they know him, and they leave feeling like they know all of us. You need to experience it for yourself. You need to walk in the door, you need to smell what it smells like in here. You need to see the equipment, you need to feel the massage chair, you need to hear everything that's going on inside of here, meet the doctor, research us, because you won't find a bad review.
You know, my future goal of this practice is to really change and be an example for others to somewhat follow. I think really it's just breaking down that barrier that oftentimes prohibits people from wanting to come. And so my goal is to create an atmosphere where people are actually open to coming back every 6 months and having their teeth cleaned, so that we can make sure and ensure that they're going to have the smile that they want for the rest of their life. Instead of looking at it from an efficiency standpoint or a profitability standpoint, I looked at everything from a patient standpoint. From the name of the practice, we want people to feel less anxiety. We want people to relax. Even when you walk out of our practice, you can see real large and on the wall is one of my favorite quotes, and that's, "Take a deep breath and enjoy your life." And I truly mean that. Whether it's dentistry, whether it's anything else, I want you to be able to relax and enjoy your life. And if we can have a small role to help you improve your life, that's what we're happy to do.